Hi, this is Brother Barnes, and let's talk about the carbon cycle and the nitrogen cycle for just a moment. This is a Principles of Biology 2 lecture low tech review. As simple as this slide is in black and white, it helps me dream about interplanetary colonization. Carbon is stored in the atmosphere as what? On our planet, it is stored as this. We complain that carbon dioxide makes a greenhouse effect, but it actually is what makes our planet habitable, and it is one of the theories for Mars colonization, that if we could have enough combustion there that it could produce CO2 and cause the greenhouse effect on Mars and thus possibly make an atmosphere there. There's a lot of stretches in that, but it's a beginning. The process that stores the CO2 in plants with the help of sunlight is photosynthesis. So this would be another part of the Mars planetary colonization that would be extremely important. It's 2021 right now. Just kind of dreaming a little bit. Did you know that nitrogen can be fixed from our atmosphere by bacteria in the soil, which helps to fertilize the soil? All of these processes are very important. We haven't talked about the water cycle or other mineral cycles, but I can just look at this page, and as simple as it is, it helps me dream.